The microplastics are probably the single greatest toxin out there for a lot of different reasons. One, they never stop breaking down. I mean, so you have all these different sizes of microplastics that are interfering with the body on all sorts of different levels, even down to the point where microplastics are breaking down to so small that they act like DNA on your cells.
So they're literally like
They're
shaping
literally
you.
fusing the DNA and making I mean, but you have these big particles that are causing irritation to the gastrointestinal tract, probably a major cause of why we see an increase in colon cancer and gastric cancer, these bigger particles. And then you have these smaller particles, which are acting like hormones because they look like hormones and they're causing estrogen to not be released or be released too much. And then you have them even smaller, and then they start interacting with the cell membrane and making cells turn into cancer, and then even smaller on the DNA. So it's like microplastics are a toxin that affects, I mean, and this is not common because lead and mercury, we know all the different receptors that they hit. But microplastics have, as we're getting further into discovery, literally touch every aspect of biochemistry all the way down to the DNA, which is the smallest part of the cell. So
Yeah, right.
this is why we're like, microplastics are, if you're asking who's the king of the toxins, it's the microplastics, and everybody has microplastics now.
Oh my gosh.